This car's doing his driving test as well. You can tell by the yellow bib the examiner's wearing. And look in front of you, you can see giveaway lines. That means as we get around, we need to look right. We need to make sure it's safe. It is safe. We're gonna go.
Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. You're with me, your fully qualified driving instructor, FM. Today we're going to do a slightly unusual driving test route. It's going to be one of the easiest test route personally, I think, for myself. So I myself will be doing the driving test, showing you how to drive, and will be based in Ashford. It's a nice, wide, quiet roads, open roads, lot of dual carriageways. So there are still difficulties in the test routes. You have loads of dual carriageways, A roads, and the side roads as well can be extremely narrow, but generally it's a fairly quiet area. So we're going to show you how to drive in such routes. Maybe in your area, in your locality, the roads aren't as congested. Maybe they're opened up, just like the routes that we're going to show you today. So from my point of view, it feels like it was a fairly easy route. But let me know if I made any mistakes. Correct me. Leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe for all the latest videos. We show you how to pass your driving test, how to pass your driving test first time, what the examiners look out for, how to impress driving examiners. So make sure you subscribe.
Okay guys, so welcome to FM Driving School. You're with me, your fully qualified driving instructor, FM. So we're next to Ashford Driving Test Centre. We're going to show you a mock driving test using their driving test route. So let's get into it. We're going to take the second exit on the roundabout and let's get straight into the Ashford Driving Test Centre route. So second exit, left lane, double check the right, control by traffic lights. Double check, 1, 2. Watch out for the lights to change. Up to gear 3 now. I can see speed signs 40 miles an hour road. So yeah, what we're doing now, right now, is we're gonna go through Ashford Driving Test Centre test routes, and we're gonna show you how it is, what the examiner expects from you, how the driving test would be for you guys if you're taking your test in Ashford. So as I said, 40 miles an hour. I'm in gear 3. Let's go up to gear 4. Green lights, we're expecting it to change. Check your mirrors, be prepared, slightly release the gas. Okay, we're ready for the lights to change, and we're gonna go back on the speed. Looking far ahead, 40 miles as well, don't forget, so try to maintain the speed. You see nice clear roads, empty roads. So that's one thing about Ashford, quite a few big roads like this. Okay, up ahead there's a hill. I can see a speed sign further ahead. I'm gonna drop down to gear 3 to give my car a little bit more power. And we can see it's 30 miles an hour zone. Check your mirrors and carry on. Let's take the third exit on the roundabout. Interior right. Indicate right. There was a little road there, but no one's coming out. Down to gear 2, scan, there's a bus coming, go to gear 1. He's going left, so I'm gonna squeeze in. Hog my inside lane, up to gear 2, indicates come off, put it back on. Follow the shape, 1, 2, after 2, check your left mirror, interior left, indicate left, and move across. Check all your mirrors.
And that's the end of part 1. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and do watch part 2 where we go through the rest of the test route. Thank you for watching.